Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to be making a burger cloche. You might be asking yourself, what is this burger cloche and do I need this burger cloche? This is a fantastic bit of kit. If you want to do wonderful cheeseburgers and give them a squirt of steam, this is a fantastic bit of kit, and I'm going to show you today how to make your own very quickly and very easily and very affordably. So what do you need? This is a 28cm stainless steel mixing bowl. I think this was £1.50 or something, so very cheap. So you'll need a 3mm HSS bit for drilling through the stainless steel and a screwdriver. You'll need a wooden door handle like that and your stainless steel bowl and the correct screw to attach to the underside of the door handle. Then simply bang in the middle with a bit of weight. Work steadily through. There you go, nice little hole there. Perfect. Change out to your screw bit. Start threading your screw through into the cloche, the hole in the cloche, and into the door handle, and then using your screwdriver slowly tighten. There we go. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? A couple of minutes work and a few quid, and I've got myself a couple of really nice burger cloches ready to start cooking some fantastic cheeseburgers. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, there's a button down there. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let me know you like what I do here. It's all appreciated. Have a good day. Cheers.